Hey, welcome to Edukov, and this is Farhan. In this video, we will learn about security controls. So let's start with this definition. This definition says, security controls are safeguards or countermeasures put in place to protect data and systems, prevent security breaches, detect and respond to incidents, reduce risks to an acceptable level. So in simple words, we can say that security controls are kind of like processes and tools which are used by organizations to achieve CIA, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. There are lots of tools and policies used in security controls. It's the kind of like whole processes, things which come, which want to achieve CIA. There are lots of things that you are actually protecting data and systems in it, and you are trying to prevent breach. Like if somebody just trying to access your data, take away your data, you are actually preventing it. Detect and respond to incidents. If someone you got a bug in or something, you're actually responding to it. Reduce risk to an acceptable level. Yes, you can lose these things, that's okay, but you can't lose your whole system. You can't lose your physical thing, your physical servers. There are lots of things in it. It involves mentally, it involves physically, intangibly, there is firewalls and all that stuff which come into that in computers. So let's move ahead, and there it is. It says now classifications of security controls. So there are two ways. It says by function and by type. And by function we mean what they do. What it in simple means what are their aims, what are their purpose, and how they do it. What they do, how they do it. It's kind of like a little bit complicated, but not that much complicated as well. It's just what are they doing, and it's how they are doing that. Just that's it. Just you need to understand that only. So let's start with by function. By function, we mean what they do. So we have three controls here, and it says preventive controls, and it also says aim to stop attacks. For example, if somebody wants to attack, then your first priority will be they wouldn't able to do that. And there are lots of processes for that. You can actually put firewalls, and the hacker will not able to access it. If the firewalls is good, they will not be able to attack it. They will not be able to enter into the network and into the system. It will be very difficult for them. You can also do access controls like biometrics. You can do a password, very tough passwords. Even by brute force attacks, if the password is very good, it might take a million years for them for cracking it. Yeah, there are lots of other processes as well, but very strong password is one of the best things. Yeah, we should have a strong password. Everyone should have it. And the second one is detective controls. Detective controls is identify and respond. What if you got a bug? What if you got a wrong package? You got that from firewalls. You got that from your IDS, intrusion detection system. Your IDS detected a wrong package which should not be there, and it seems like it is sent by a hacker or something like that. So how you should respond at that time? You got playbooks at that time. You got a lot of stuffs. You should know about that. So it's kind of like the whole process in it, and you do identify the bug and you respond to it. You either do things according to the playbook, and if that's new, then ask your seniors or things if you're expert in it, if you have knowledge of it, so you can actually prevent it to cause some damage, right? Yeah. So on 3 we have corrective controls, and what should be our last aim if we got attacked by an hacker and they took what they want. So what should be our aim? Attacking him back? No, that should not be the case. We are not red team here, okay? We might be an blue team, and they should actually do things. We should have backups. We should have backups which keep our business keep on running. There should be no stuff like that. If there is attack on a website and it get down, so there should be a hot site. Hot site basically, if there's so the main website get down, so hot site can make that work as well. And it says aim to fix. if there is a problem, if there is a threat to a website, if it get discontinued, it get destroyed, we should have backups, we should have backups, and it's very important. And one more thing, example can be, the example could be like, we have WhatsApp, we have our apps on our Android phones, and if there is any bug in it and the hacker trying to exploit it, the WhatsApp company, they instantly, or when they get to know, they make a patch management system. There is a patch management system. It's just like like software updates. They update their softwares. They push that to Play Stores or your App Store on ISO. So yeah, we update it, and we should aim to fix it. No need to just attack hackers or all that. Yeah. So on the other one is by type. By type we mean how we do it. Yeah, absolutely. So there is the first one, administrative controls. Administrative control, and it says security awareness training. And in simple words, I can say that in these controls, we are actually trying to prepare any employee who is actually working in the organization mentally. Yep, we are actually trying to just give them training. Okay, if that happened at that time, you're gonna do that. You gotta do all the stuff. You need to do that. Yeah, it's kind of like an administrative level, from senior to junior. They are telling it, okay, you gotta do that stuff, and yeah, training awareness. This is, like trainings are important. If you don't know what to do, then you are just screwed. Yep. Like that's why people just do lots of internship before going to a job, getting a job. Yeah, it's good. So, and the second one is technical controls. Technical controls is more like into technical fields. There could be a lot of things in it. Encryption, firewalls, IDS, access control, like a lot of stuff, a lot of other stuffs as well. Yep, but it's more into technical. It's like how we do the things by type is we mean like that. So it says, yep, there are technical controls. And the third one is physical controls. Physical controls like CCTVs, your logs, your access cards, things which are tangible, we can touch them. Absolutely. So yeah, by time is kind of like simple. Okay, we understood it. So this is defense in depth. And what does it mean? It says, for strong security, multiple types and functions of controls are laid together. This is called defense in depth. It simply means when we combine by function and by type together, it means defense in depth, because we are actually applying whole controls. So we are actually applying two most important controls in it, by type and by function. Yeah, simple as that. Voila. So what could be the very simple example for security controls? And it could be, lock on your house door. Because the lock on your house door will actually prevent any thief to just who is trying to enter into your house. It will just prevent them. Or passwords, password on your accounts. Nobody won't be able to access it. If they know that, okay, yeah, it's good for them, and bad for us. Yeah, absolutely. And security cameras, it's physical control as well, and there is an incident response plan as well. We should have policy, we should have plans if we get into some trouble or some hackers try to attack our systems or servers. We should have policies how to respond to it. Either we should attack or we should just stay quiet and do nothing. Yeah, most of the time it happens. Some people have policies. Yeah, we should not attack hackers back. They should not. Some people have that, and most of the cybersecurity countries, cybersecurity field is mostly okay, if they attack them, we just want to protect our systems. We want to upgrade them, and yeah, the hacker should not attack them next. It should be the world must be stronger than before. Is the main purpose. So with that, we will just end up this video, and yeah, thank you. Peace.